Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how to create the bootable media for macOS 26. And without further ado, let's go straight to it. And the two things that we need that are essential, there will be the installation media. It can be like a flash disk, it can be a hard disk, or any other media that has the capacity to accept the image that we're going to add on it. And the second thing that we need is now the image file. And in this case, I have this as install assistant. And before we start installation, we will have to prepare our bootable media so as to be able to add this image on it. So I'm going to go into the disk utility. And once I am in my disk utility, I will see the list of all the disks that are mounted on my system. And in this case, I have this one as the main one that contains the operating system, and I'm not going to touch that. And I have this other hard disk that has this amount of gigabytes, and I'm going to go ahead and erase it. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on erase. And once I am in here, I will be prompted to provide the name of the disk. I'm going to call this as like this one, and I'm going to format into the macOS, the extended journal, and I'm going to click on erase. And once the erase is successful, I will be having this media ready at this address. As you can see now, the name is changed. And the next step is to go ahead and double click on this install assistant, and I'm going to follow the prompt. I'm going to click on continue. But before I do anything, I have to show you that in my application, it's not present. You can see that I don't have anything in here. So after we perform the successful installation of this install assistant, we'll be having something like install macOS, and we'll be seeing it here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on install. I'm going to provide my credentials, and this is going now to start. And you have to give it a go, and you can see now it is successful. So I'm going to go ahead and click on close. And once we go back here, you can see that I have this install macOS Tahoe, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to open the terminal. I was having it opened here, but if you don't have it, you can go ahead and search terminal like this one and open. Let me zoom for a little bit, show you what's going on. And there is a command that we use for making the bootable media, and I have it here. I will make sure to provide it into the description as well. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it in my terminal, and we'll be having all this composition. And you can see that the volume that I am having here is this one called Tahoe. It is important to name it the way it is. And also the contents that we're going to be adding to our disk, they are here. You can see that this is now the path. It will be in applications, install macOS Tahoe, and this exact path is the one that can be found when you go and applications. You can see that I'm having it here. So it's the exact path that we are having. So once we are sure that everything is as we want it, we can go ahead and press enter to execute the command, and you have to provide the password as well and press enter. In this case, it is going to warn you that if you're going to be adding this image to the media or the hard disk, it is going to erase everything. As we erased everything beforehand, you can go ahead and also erase and press on Y and press enter. It is going to erase the disk, and it is going to be showing you the percentages on how it's doing it. And we have to wait after it's done formatting the disk. You can see that it is going to be copying the essential files, and it is continuing to add the image to the installation media. So I'm going to give it a go, and we will come back once this is done. All right, and as all the processes are now done, you can see that the install media is now available at this location, and this is now the exact location they are talking about. And in this case, our image is now successfully onto our installation media. So the next thing that you can do if you want to install the macOS 26, this is now the disk or the media that you're going to be using. You're going to boot into it, and then you can begin the installation. So this marks the end of this video. I hope guys you found it interesting. If you did, don't hesitate to press like, and those who want to get the this installation package or this install package, they can reach out to my Patreon, and that's where I always upload the images that I use for my tutorials. So thanks you for watching. I will see you around.